Hi there, year eights. I hope that you are all well. Today's lesson, first and foremost, is going to be you acting on feedback that you've been given with regards to the work that you've done so far on the core slides in section A, in section B, and in section E. However, you will also be doing some material theory work for me now. I am currently looking at the challenge tasks, which I shared with you last week as a kind of an extension for you to look at. And I'm not sure whether you guys had time to look at it. You don't have to worry too much about having had time. That's no problem at all. But this is a specific challenge task that we're going to look at today, which I do want you to complete for when you come back after spring break. Now, we're going to have to change the challenge tasks so that some of them at least become compulsory due to the nature of us working online and not being able to do practical. So this is the first compulsory challenge task, and it is on material theory, which is going to involve a little bit of theory, or a little bit of excuse me, a little bit of research on your behalf. So the first section is on material boards, or sorry, manufactured boards, and you are going to research what that term manufactured boards means, and you're going to write a detailed explanation of that here. Once you've completed that, you are then going to talk a little bit about how they differ from natural timber and try and use some advantages and disadvantages, maybe highlight one advantage and one disadvantage there on the difference between natural timber versus manufactured boards. Once you've done that, you can explain with a detailed description and use some images to sketch the structure of plywood. Little hint for you there. And also research how MDF is manufactured and explain below. So what I'm looking for here are some sketches and some notes in both of these boxes. Then you can have a go a little bit later. We're going to focus in on metals. You can have a go at uncovering what these different riddles mean. What words are they looking for? And you can rearrange them so you get the following three main groups of metals. And from that, you should have hopefully done a little bit more of research on metals. I would like you to explain in as much detail as you can 10 points about how you would manufacture steel. Now, this will require a little bit of research on the internet, so you can try and break that down into 10 steps. If you can't get 10 steps, if you can only get 5 or 6, that's fine as well. So don't worry about getting 10, but 10 is the absolute maximum that you should have. Okay, so hopefully that all makes sense to you guys, and hopefully enjoy doing that task this week.